Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ng regalong ganito ang ating birthday girl. Meron bang regalo para sa ating birthday girl na si Chrissy?
Meron din po.
Meron?
So, may ginawa.
Aba!
Pinalitan din namin yung background into something pink.
Ang ganda naman. Mahanong birthday wish mo para kay Chrissy?
Kasi si Tita Chris, parang nasa kanya na po lahat. So, siguro po good health. Tapos, yun, yung sobrang nagpapasalamat lang po talaga ako kay Tita Chris kasi yung pagturing niya po sa akin, as in parang pamangkin talaga.
Totoo.
Ganun po. Sobrang thankful po ako na may Tita Chris ako. Yun po.
Totoo yun.
Love you, Tita Chris.
At nakikita ko yung pagmamahal na yan.
Opo.
Di ba?
Sobra.
Kaibigan, kanina pinag-uusapan natin ang cake na ito kasi kanina nakaagaw pansin ika nga. So, itong cake na ito, Kristen, can be any cake.
Yes.
Okay.
Any cake.
Halimbawa, meron kang ganito. Ibig sabihin ba, pwede ang ganito pang-decorate dyan?
Opo. Kunyari po, may isang guy, ang pangalan niya Brad. Tapos siguro nakalimutan niya yung anniversary ng kanyang sweetheart. So, pwede siya
Nagalit ang sweetheart, syempre dahil
Nagalit.
nakalimutan. So,
Opo.
instead of just bringing home, a piece of cake,
simple na,
a simple cake, abay, ito ang ginawa ni Brad. Sige nga, Christine. Oh, ayan! Ang dating simpleng cake lamang, pinatungan lang ng Choco Pix, panalong-panalo na. At very special ang dating dahil personalized. Kaibigan, ayan po, araw ng mga regalo ang nagaganap po ngayong umaga. At marami pa po tayong matutunghayan at marami pa po tayong malalaman pag regalong pinag-uusapan dito lamang po sa Boy and Chris. Maraming salamat, Christine at Maha Salvador.
You know, na-discover natin that because of Eric Santos.
I know.
His fans, di ba, gave us.
Correct. Okay.
Super sweet.
Mula doon, ito na, Chrissy. I-present ko na sa iyo ang ginawa namin ni Maha, especially Maha, para sa iyo. Yan.
Ang ganda ko.
Ganda talaga, di ba? At mga kaibigan, inuulit ko po, ang mga ganyang
nagagawa?
klase.
Ang galing-galing na ng process.
Nakakain po lahat yan, pati ang litrato. Ang dami, Chrissy. Pwedeng picture, pwedeng letter like, I love
So
you, I'm
nice.
sorry, I
I love
adore
it.
you. It's a beautiful
Thank you
gift
very
idea.
much, Madge. Alam mo naman na my wish for you talaga is super big stardom talaga this year because she's just so talented and so mabait and
That's
so
true.
lovely.
It will happen. Mangyayari yan.
Yes.
Mangyayari,
Let's pray for
mangyayari.
her.
Okay. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat. Umpisa pa lamang po ito sa aming mga regalo tips. Maliban, of course, sa aming mga CDs, ang Love Life. Marami pa pong tips ang aming ibibigay. Sa lamang po kayo. Magbabalik po ang Boy
And Chris! Ang gaganda ng kasama natin this morning.
Totoo ka, Chrissy.
Oh, di ba ang sarap? That's
Yeah.
like, almost all my friends talaga. And I'm saying almost all kasi apart from you, my best friend, lahat sila beautiful talaga. Common denominator.
Of course, it's nice to be most beautiful. And Curtin. Good
Hello,
morning.
good morning. And, tinan mo
Sunshine,
naman,
sunshine.
blooming and sexy na ngayon.
Sunshine too.
Good morning to the boy, Chris. Good morning. Okay, ano favorite na gift na natanggap niyo na in your whole life?
Most meaningful siguro would have to be, I don't know.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Pag-iisipan ko
Yung
pa.
frame
Okay,
na ibinigay ni
ayun na.
Sam nung Pasko, wasn't that meaningful?
Actually, yes.
Diba?
Meaningful yun sa akin. Especially the one na, not yung kaming dalawa.
Yung baptism.
Yung baptism ko. That was very meaningful. And there was also a pendant that was given to me na on the back had the date of my baptism on it.
By?
A friend.
Sino friend?
Friend ko!
Sino nga?
Basta friend.
Okay, whatever. You shine.
Meaningful gift.
Or most valuable sa puso mo?
Para sa akin, yung 18th birthday ko, yung nag-debut ako, given by my father and mother. So, syempre, dream ng every woman na mag-celebrate ka ng malaki. So,
That's true. Okay. Kung
Ikaw,
magbi-
ano yung binigay mo?
Yes.
Na pinaka-bongga, parang pinaka-valuable na regalo ever na naibigay mo?
naibigay ko.
At ang value has nothing to do sometimes with money, ha? Minsan yung ibig sabihin doon sa iyong binigyan.
Siguro for my mom, kasi since my mom likes, mga buting-ting mga jewelries, binigyan ko siya hindi naman mahal, pero nakita ko yung appreciation niya sa akin.
Mahalaga yon.
Yes.
Okay. Ikaw, Ann.
Siguro yung pinaka-meaningful, yung sa mommy ko, her dream talaga was to have sa life niya, kahit once a Louis Vuitton bag. So, itong Christmas, binigyan ko siya. And first time niya
What
talaga.
style?
It was the classic na
Speedy?
Oo, no, pero the biggest talaga, monogram.
Oo.
Binigay ko sa mommy ko yung, and I put it kunwari in a kid station na supot lang.
Oo.
Yung Christmas.
Galing.
So, na-surprise siya. Natugulat talaga siya. And for my dad naman siguro, si daddy kasi is more, he really doesn't appreciate yung bonggang gift.
Your dad is
So,
cool.
all I gave him lang was, what I gave him were pictures of Claire to him and Moon. And sobrang, man.
Kung may ireregalo ka kay Sam, anong ibibigay mo sa kanya?
I really would like to give him, find a really old family portrait and do something with it, something artistic, to repay what he did also for me. Because I know that if there's something that Sam really misses in his life right now, it's his family.
Wow.
Ikaw, kay Cesar, anong bibigay mo?
Ito na naman ako.
Oo.
Hindi, kasi mahilig siya sa books. So siguro book about kung paano
Galing mo,
mas
no?
bigyan ng halaga ang pamilya.
Oh. Tama.
I respect that. I respect that.
naman.
Pero Shine, may regalo ka raw kay Chris.
Kakantahan mo ako?
Sasayawan kita, Chris.
Wow!
Hindi, meron.
That's
meron,
what friends
yes.
are for, di ba? Para pasayahin ang isa. Okay.
It is it your sweet conversation that brings this sensation. Oh no, it's just the nearness of you.
Galing, no?
Shine, maraming salamat. Thank you. Ang galing.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Love you,
Chris.
Shine. Alam mo yun.
Galing, galing. You have an
You have
impressive
to get to
voice.
know Sunshine talaga kasi makikita mo kung gaano katatag na tao siya. At yung and yung how wise beyond her years she is.
I like that.
Oo, di ba?
And because of that, she can be inspiring. Totoo yan.
Correct.
Di ba? She can be inspiring. Maraming salamat sa awitin na yan, mga kaibigan.
When we come back, Ann, kakanta.
Aba, ang
Galingan
concert
mo.
queen ng Boy and Chris, Ann Curtis, ay maririnig niyo pong umawit maya-maya lamang. Sa pagbabalik po ng Boy
And Chris.
Don't